After experiencing monsoons the way that we are, and the way that we are seeing and listening to the news of landslides and the flash floods and everything that's happening, I thought it was time to talk about the environment and what is going on in the environment. And it's not just out there. We keep feeling that, environment or climate change is out there. The water rising in the oceans, the glaciers that are melting, it's all because of something that's being done by somebody else somewhere else, and we have nothing to do with it. It's just, I felt this was the time to talk about it, that every small thing that we do every day is actually contributing to climate change. And let me explain why. Even driving small distances, it's actually contributing to the fact that we are polluting the environment. We are polluting it with the petrol that we're using in the car, and we're actually spoiling it. Try walking. But yes, we tend to take out the car even for the smallest of distances and use it because it's more convenient. So we always choose convenience over the fact that we have to do something for the environment. The roots of all the global issues is somewhere lying with us and every day of what we are doing. Let's start with energy and fuel consumption. Just the fact that I took out the car for even a small distance. Of course, I took it out for a longer distance, but even if we take out the car for a small distance, the kind of petrol that we end up using and the emissions that we do in the environment, imagine the number of cars that are being used. So, of course, it's polluting the environment. Every time we step out of the room, we end up not switching off the lights, not switching off the lamp, not switching off the fan, and then we are wasting energy. It may just be one unit, but that one unit multiplied with the number of people that we have in this country, you can imagine the kind of wastage that we are doing. All of this is contributing to the climate change. The next topic that actually affects the environment is water usage and water wastage. We end up using a lot of water when we brush our teeth. We leave the tap open and we end up actually wasting that water. It sounds not much, but actually, if everybody in the house or in this country was to stop it even for a minute, the finite resource of clean water is something that we'll be able to save. Imagine if the kind of energy that is used to recycle this water is the energy that we end up saving. So that finite resource that we are wasting today can actually be saved. Rainwater harvesting, anything that can actually harness this water that we're getting from the environment for literally free, why not use it? So we are not using it to the best potential.
Mama, can we order food today?
I am sure we can, but imagine the plastic that's going to come with it. They're going to send it in a plastic package. It's not going to be good for you, and the microplastics that are going to enter your bloodstream because of the food that's coming. So let's be careful with what we're using. I'm just talking about this, the environmental problems of single-use plastics, the small things, the packaging that you get with every product that you order, and we end up throwing it in the landfill. And then the energy that's taken to let go of that plastic, or the time that it takes for it to get to decompose, is hundreds of years. So of course, while convenience is something which is there by ordering food, it's also the plastic that will end up in our bloodstream because we are eating from the plastic bowls and it's hot food put in that. Let's be careful. Fast fashion, overconsumption, and more than what we need usage is actually leading to a lot of things. Everything that is manufactured is actually using raw material, products, procedures that are actually creating a problem. And this is creating an issue for the planet more than it can handle. I did not say all of this to make us feel guilty or make you feel guilty or feel bad for actually believing in fast fashion or doing anything of that sort. The idea was just for us to be self-aware and actually love the environment, and all the environment wants from us is care. Can we just do that? Can we just care for it and ensure that this environment is what our next generation gets and enjoys rather than just us and being selfish about it? That was the only idea of this.